what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Mike back again with another video today, and today is a very special video because I got my mic stand in and I'm super excited to unbox this for you guys and kind of show you guys my setup and how I'm gonna, lay it out. And yeah, I don't know. But if you guys are new here, my name is Mike. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now to join the Cam Fam, the best family on YouTube. And if you guys haven't, hit that thumbs up because it helps the channel a ton, as well as hitting that notification button so you guys stay updated with all the new videos that I put out. Now in today's video, guys, like I said, I am unboxing my new mic stand that I got from my Yeti mic here, and this stand in particular, what's it called? The InnoGear microphone scissor arm stand. Yeah. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, as well as a more in-depth, detailed unboxing. Like, this unboxing is very, very just for the casual user. Don't really know what the technical stuff is, just want a cool looking mic or a durable mic in general, or an arm stand. I apologize. So let's get right into it. But before I get into it, guys, make sure you guys check out Cambrand, cambrandco.com right here and down below in the description. Use Cambrand25 for 25% off cambrandco.com. Right now, I'll leave everything down below, guys. Check it out. Support the Cam brand. That would mean a shit ton to me. Like, literally a shit ton to me. And like so much to me. So much. So go support. Thank you. Alright, guys, so it came in this box from Amazon. Like I said, link in the description below. Came in this box, whatever, nothing too much in there, just a bunch of styrofoam. And what came in the box was a windscreen right here. Looks pretty cool. Feels pretty durable. Not gonna lie. The actual arm stand. This feels, I don't know. If I really tried, I can really like squeeze it and bend it, but then again, it's not really made to withhold that much pressure, I guess, but it's okay. It's not the best, but maybe that's just me. Next up, the clamp for your mic to the desk. Let's see, it fits mine well, so that's all good. The puffball, I don't even know what the heck you call it, but puffball. I don't know what the specific name of it, but it connects, I'm guessing, the mic to the actual Yeti mic itself. So, yeah. And last but not least, this is the special part that belongs in the Yeti and only the Yeti. I don't know what this is called in particular, but it's cool. It's got like that gold tip. What is this? Like a goldish orange? Looks dope. Now that we unboxed it, guys, let's just jump right into it and put this together because I'm super, super excited to put this all together and see how the setup is going to turn out.
Do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear. Guys, now we're back. Look at this. Check this out. So this is finally the setup, I guess. I don't know how far you guys are. Like, how does this sound? Like, how do I sound next to this mic? I wonder if I sound like delicious. I don't know. I've always been told that I should be in front of a microphone or like a radio because I have the voice for it. Like, how do you guys feel? Like, oh my goodness, like this is so cool. Like this makes everything so much easier. I feel like I can just pop this open. Oh shit, I have to get used to that. Yeah, if you guys want to check it out, here. So here's the setup. I got the windscreen. I got the arm. Yep, got everything right there. So this is what it looks like on my end. Like it's nothing too big at all. But like it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Like I'm sure that audio was pretty messed up there, but yeah. Guys, what do you guys think? This is super cool. I'm super excited I bought this, and I'm super excited this is in my possession. Now, like I can definitely do a podcast now. I can definitely do a podcast, Mr. Podcast. Low key though, guys, I might be doing a podcast soon. Like, might be coming up in the near future, and something you guys should definitely be checking out for really soon. But that's gonna be it for me, guys. Like, this is super quick unboxing of my my mic stand, but something I couldn't go into detail much because the fuck. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for me, guys. I appreciate all of you guys watching this right now. If you guys are interested, like I said in the beginning of the video, this mic stand's link is going to be in the description below, as well as cambrandco.com and cambrand25 for 25% off. cambrandco.com. Thank you, guys. I really do appreciate you guys that come and support the channel. Like, it means a ton. You guys have no idea. You guys that have been here for the beginning or since the beginning have known that this has been a big dream of mine and a big goal of mine for a very long time, and we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and we're gonna do it. I've been way more consistent, and I've been trying to put out more content and just been more invested in myself and invested in my goals and in my future. So I'm super excited. 2019 has treated me well, and I can't wait to see what the rest of the year has in store for me. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for coming by the channel. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button as well as that thumbs up button. Thank you guys for stopping by. Mike signing out. Peace.
Do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear.